Hey Christ Place, it's Pastor Jesse here, standing right where our brand new sanctuary is gonna go, and I'm here to give you a 10,000 Reasons Elevate Campus update. Some really amazing things going on this week right here on the property. Footings are being dug, rebar's being put together, plumbing's gonna start going in, and concrete's gonna start being poured. This is the place where we're gonna see so many people meet Jesus and souls saved and lives changed because of your generosity. And we are seeing a real difference being made right here through Elevate Campus Development.